guys, thanks for watching. This is Elizabeth Kwam from Mangeti Grove. Please subscribe so you can see more of our videos. I am making a brown buttered sage butternut squash dish that is so awesome today. Hi guys, this is my sage plant. I love that the foliage it has. It stays bushy like this. And it's a blue-green foliage and it looks so pretty in my garden. It looks pretty and it also tastes really good. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes. My mom is an expert at experimenting with food. I love it. I get to be her subject. And this was by far one of the best. There have been some not so yummy ones, but not lately in my life. Probably earlier on. So, I just pull it. And you want to harvest this anytime before it blooms or even after it blooms, after it's there's some regrowth after blooming. So that you can get some of that yumminess. I'm sure people have used it while it's blooming and even without a problem. Sage is so good for your health. I'll tell you the health benefits right now. Sage is a wonderful plant. It helps relieve headaches and sore throat pain. It reduces oxidative stress in the body from all those toxins that are running around in our body. It protects us against free radicals and the damage that those do. It reduces inflammation and protects it against bacterial and viral infections. It is a good supporter of digestion, and it even protects against memory loss. That's pretty amazing. People do stay away from it if they are lactating, just because it might dry up a milk supply. But it helps with menopause symptoms. So if you don't mind and you're not lactating, you should include sage as part of a diet. Okay, that's more than enough that I need. And you can really harvest these without making the bush look really bare and without making it look ugly. A lot of people might not want to grow an herb garden just because they don't want to make it look bald and ugly, but I don't mind using it for its purpose, and it doesn't look bare or ugly. I don't need all of it. You don't have to. Is it
that goes on there? I think that goes on there.
Maybe.
What?
I said maybe.
Oh, I said baby.
You go get the clippers and I'll trim them for you. Make those go in the salad.
Okay, you want to buy this jacket? Oh, no. Oh, no.
Shut the skillet off.
Yeah, these things don't cut, do they?
Oh, darn.
Let's move this over here so our fingernails will fly in your salad. That wouldn't be no good, would it?
Whoops. And then I'll do this. But I'll tell you when.
That's a lot better, isn't it? Ooh, look at that.
Oh, I think it's back.
This dish would be awesome paired with some white wine, some pumpkin pie, some pecan pie, a salad. People wouldn't care about the turkey.